Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Muralidhar Reddy. I'm a DevOps consultant and solution architect. Now we are going to discussing about creating and deleting Git branches. Let's see the demo so that you will get some idea. So here we have a devopszerotohero day 6 Git creating and deleting Git branches. I will be update the documentation later sometime. Now we can see that what exactly Git and see the demo as well. How do we create, delete the branches, everything. First of all, what is Git branch? So branch in Git is like a separate line of development. Example, here we have a DevOps project. Remember, we worked on Git flow, everything, right? And you can see that files and directives. And here we have a DevOps branch. And if you see here, when you open this particular any Git related project in Git Bash, right? You can see that branch name. Here, master branch. Okay, but now when you create any new repository, it is coming main branch. Main or master branch, both are same only. Now let's take example, you wanted to work on something. If you wanted to work on new features, or if you have any fixes, and also if you have any experiments without touching your existing code, affecting the main code, whatever main code we have, right? Example, in master we have this particular code. Example, you consider as a code. Okay, understand? Now, instead of touching directly this particular code, what we can do, we can create a separate branch, and then we can work on there. If everything's fine, then we can merge it. Especially why use branches? First thing is develop features independently. Example, I wanted to develop new feature from existing code. Then what we can do, we can create a new branch from existing branch, and then we can work on that particular new branch. And then if everything's fine, and then we can merge it. And here one more thing, experiment without risk, because we don't want to be touch main branch, right? If we touch main branch, something happen. Again, you need to be revert back. That is risky. So that's why without touching, without experiment, without touching, without risk. Okay. And next one is fix bugs without touching the production code. As I said, right, without touching production code, whatever we have a bugs, right? We can fix those things. And we can review the changes before merging. We can review the changes before merging. Here you have to remember, that is either main branch or master branch in real time. We don't have, we don't directly push to main branch or master branch. What we will do, right? First, we will be create a separate branch from master branch or main branch. Then we will be working on it. Either once they're done, they will raise the PR. PR is nothing but pull request. Later, sometime we can discuss that PR part. Okay, fine. Now here we need to check. I mean, we can work on that commands part. I hope understand, right? What exactly Git branch? Why use branches? Understand, right? Now we can go with the command so that you will get some idea. The first command, Git branch. You wanted to check what are the branches available in this particular DevOps project repository. Remember, this DevOps project repository, how do you identify whether this is a repository, Git repository or not? Here you can see that LSF and earlier. If you have a .git directory, it means this current directory, whatever we have for folder, right? Whatever we have a files and directories, it is everything is under this particular DevOps project repository. Okay, fine. Now I'm going to check it Git space branch. If you want to be check what are the branches available, you can use this particular Git branch, and also it will be display what is the current branch you are in. Now you can enter here. If you see here we have only one master branch, and here you can see the star means you are currently in master branch only. You are currently in master branch only. Understand, right? Using Git space branch name, it will be display what is the current branch. Now you need to create the specific branch. Example, I want to create a July branch. How do we do? I want to create the July branch. How do we do? You can give it Git branch, and then you can give the branch name. Example, I'm giving that July branch. Now what will happen? currently you are in master branch. In master branch, you have this particular files or directories. Now, when you use this particular Git branch and July, from master branch, whatever currently files are directories, it will be copied to July branch, guys. It will be copied to July branch. Correct branch name, those files are directories in the current branch. Current branch means master branch. To copy, it will copy to July branch. It will create the branch and it will be copied. Now you can see here Git branch July. Now you can enter here. Now if you see here, now you can give it Git branch, and here you can see that enter, and here you can see that currently we have I'm in the master branch, but July branch is created. Now I need to check out to this particular July branch. How do we do? I mean to say I need to switch from master branch to July branch. How do we do? For that one, you can go here, git checkout. Using git checkout, you can switch from one branch to another branch. Understand, right? If you want to be switch from one branch to another branch, you can use this particular git checkout, and then you have to give the branch name. What is the branch name? I'm giving that July branch. Now you can enter. Now if you see here, it is switched to branch, that is July branch. Okay, and also here you can see the July branch. Here you have to remember, when you open this particular in the Git bash, then only you can able to see here branch name, guys. But in case if you are working in a CMD, if you are working in EC2 instance, Linux server, right, this branch name, it won't be visible. You have to use the Git branch to view that particular where exactly you are in. Understand, right? Fine. Now here we are good with. Now you can give it LL command. Whatever we have a current directory. Whatever we have a current directory, it means, sorry, whatever we have a current branch, everything here, these files are available because we created from master branch, the particular master branch files are directories, it is copied to this particular July branch. Understand, right? Any questions here? Any questions? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a one file, touch Naresh, and here you can see that git status. Okay, now you can enter. If you see here, untracked files means whatever we have current this particular git tell me git app dot, it will be switch from working to staging. Now you can check it git status. Here it is showcasing that changes to be committed. Changes to be committed means the files are directories. It is copied from working to staging area. Those files is available. Here you can see the staging area or index area. Okay. Now here I need to switch from staging to local. Now you can give it git commit -m double quotation Naresh. Okay. Now you can enter. Added Naresh, whatever you can give it. Now if you see here git status, if you see here currently it is showing that nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay. Now you can give the LL command, and here you can see that Naresh file is created. That is fine. Now if you observe here, remember guys, if you observe here in July branch, we have created this, we have added committed. Now if you go and check it in the master branch, we can go and check it in the master branch. You can't see that the particular Naresh file. If you see here, now it is switched to branch name is Naresh using git checkout command. Now you can give it here LL command. If you see here in master branch, we don't have any Naresh file. The reason here you have to remember, don't confuse guys here. You have to remember, when you create a new branch from existing branch, whatever we have a current files, those files will be updated. Later, if you added any new file in the specific branch, it won't be available in the master branch, guys. Understand, right? Fine. Now here we are good with this particular one. What is the next one? Now I'm going to switch to from master to July. Okay. Now here what we did, we have created the branch from branch using Git branch another branch, that is master to July using git checkout command. Instead of running git branch and branch name and git checkout branch name, I wanted to use single command to create a branch and immediately switch to that particular branch. How do we do? Now here you can see that LL command, here we have a files directories. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to give it git checkout -b, git checkout -b. -b is nothing but branch. Here I'm giving that SCP is nothing but September, guys. And if you see here, git checkout -b is nothing but branch, and here you can see that September. It means here it will be create the branch. It will be create the September branch, and it will check out. It will check out the particular branch, September branch. Understand, right? Now you can enter here. If you see here, switch to new branch, that is September. Switch to new branch, that is September. Now here you can go ahead and check it. Git branch, and here you can see that September branch. Now if you go and check it in the LL command, whatever we have it earlier currently July branch, right? Those branch files or directories is copied to September branch. Now what we can do? Now we can work on this in the September branch. Everything's work is done. Okay, example, as a DevOps engineer, as a developer, everything is done. What we'll do? Will be merged to either master branch or either July branch, whatever, wherever. Okay, depends on situation. We can talk about PR part, everything later sometime, so that you will get some idea. Clear, right? Any questions here? Now we have done this using git checkout -b. Now I need to delete the branch. How do we do? I need to delete the branch. How do we do? Now if you see here, I'm going to git branch -d. Here you have to give the branch September branch. Usually currently I'm in the September branch, but I'm trying to delete the September branch. What will happen? Let's see. Now you can enter. If you see here, you're trying to delete the September branch. Now here you are getting that you are getting cannot delete branch, that is September used by workspace. Currently, whatever we have a workspace, right? It is using the current branch, that is September branch. That's why it is not able to delete. What exactly meaning of this one? If you are in current branch, example September branch, you are trying to delete September branch, you can't delete. The reason current branch you can't delete, you have to switch to other branch and then you can delete whatever you want. Example, if you see here, I'm going to switch to git checkout July. Okay, now you can enter. If you see here, currently I'm in the git branch, currently I'm in the July branch. Here you can see the star means current branch. Okay, now here I'm going to delete the particular September branch. Now you can give it git branch -d, and then here you can give SCP. SCP is nothing but September. Now you can enter. If you see here, deleted branch. Now you can go here. Now you can give it. Git branch, and here you can see that we have only master branch and also July branch. Master branch and also July branch. Any questions now? Now here question. We have deleted the branch. Okay. Now you deleted. If you want to, is it possible to revert back? It means whatever deleted branch, is it possible to create it? Yes. Revert back. Yes, we can do that using git reflag command. What you have to do? We can use git reflag. Using git reflag command. Yes, FLOG guys. Git reflag command. Here it will be display that everything. Now if you see here, we moved from September to July, right? Then we have deleted. It means here we have a header. Then what we have to do? Here using this commit ID, we can create git checkout -b. I'm giving September. Usually what will happen when you give this git checkout -b September, it will be create the new branch. But the thing is, if you give the commit ID, it will be give the commit ID. Whatever commit ID we have, whatever we deleted, right? The particular commit ID related one, our September related data will be available. If you see here, we switch to new branch, that is September. If you go and check it here, LL command, here you can see that specific one. Understand, right? It is specific one. In case if you want to be get it specific, if you deleted the branch, if you want to be get back, what you can do, you can use the git reflag, but that is very rarely we will be using. Might be in interview level, they may ask you question related to git reflag. Okay, git reflag. If you want to be first, you need to get that particular head commit ID. You can take that one, git checkout -b branch name, example September, and then here you can give it the commit ID, so that whatever commit ID latest one, right, it will be available in the September branch. Understand, right? Clear. Now what is the next one? Now if you want to be delete the branch, I have showcased that delete that particular one. Now what I'm going to do, now you can go here checkout branch, git checkout Okay, branch name is July. Now here you can see that LL command. Currently here we have a multiple files or directories. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add it here, touch command, Muni. I have created the Muni file. Remember guys, usually just I am showcasing the files names, Muni, Murli, something names. Usually here we'll be having that .sh file, Java files, everything. Example as a DevOps developer. In case as a Okay. Now here you have to remember, I have created the file, the particular Muni file inside the July branch. Now if you go and check it, if you go to that master branch or if you go to the September branch, example, I'm switching to master branch. Now you can go ahead and give it git status command. If you see here, here also it is showcasing that untracked files. Even here you can see that the particular Muni file is available. You may ask question, Murli, you have created in the July branch, right? The particular file should be in the July branch. It should not be in the master branch, right? But the thing here you have to remember, if you created a file, if you're not add commit, if you're not done add and commit, then what will happen? If you go and check it any branch, these particular files, when you use that git status command, the particular file is available. It's showing that working directly. Understand, right? Now what you have to do, you need to do that git once you created the file. If you're not done that particular git add and git commit command, then what will happen? All the branches it will be showcase that particular file. Once you done git add git commit command, then only wherever you did in the particular branch only the particular file available. Later different branches it won't be. Example, I'm going here in here only. If you see here, I'm giving the git add command. In master branch, I'm doing guys. Usually I have created in the from July branch, but in July I haven't done the git add commit command. Now I'm doing in the master branch only. Okay. Now you can check it git status. And then changes to be committed means it is staging area. Git commit -m added the. If you see here, currently it is showing nothing to commit working tree clean. Now you can give the LL command. If you see here, Muni file is available. Okay, super. Now you can go and check out that July branch. If you go and check out here, currently I'm in the Git branch, that is July branch. Now here, if you give the LL command, if you see here, the particular Muni file is not available. The reason I have created the file in the Muni branch only, but I haven't done git add commit. Wherever you done git add commit, those files will be available in the particular branch only. Even though you created the file in the different branch, if you done in git add commit in the different branch, in the particular git commit done that git add git commit command, there only this particular files available. Understand, right? Understand, right? This is a one of the thing you have to remember. You may confuse like, hey, Murli, I have created the file in the master branch, but when I switch to without done add commit, if you switch to July branch, I can also see that in the July branch as well. Yes, you can see it until unless you did, until unless you will do the git add git commit command, it will be visible in all the branches. If you create if you created the file in the one branch, you can switch to another branch also. The file will be visible to the another branch as well. But once you done git add commit, then in the particular branch only it is available. If you switch to another branch, you can't see that. After done the git add git commit command. Understand, right? Here also you can see that again. Just I'm showcasing. So Muni file is not available. Understand, right? Any question? This is the one of the most important git branch, especially as a DevOps engineer. What we will do, right? We'll be create one repository in GitHub and we'll be clone the repository. And before going to clone the repository, So what we will do, from the particular main branch, we will be create the separate branch. From there, we'll be update the everything content, and then we'll be raise the PR. PR is nothing but pull request, and then we'll be provide the pull request to our team member. They will be review and they will be merged to master branch. Remember, master or main branch, both are same only. Especially very long back, 2 to 3 years back, when you create any repository in the GitHub or GitLab, right? It was created master branch, but they have renamed to master to main branch. Clear, right? Any questions? This is the one of the most important, whether it is interview level, and also frequently we will be use it in the when you are implementing anything in your organization, in your project. Okay, clear, right? Any questions now? Comment. Feel free to reach out to me via LinkedIn, Instagram, Telegram, and also we have a Tech World with Murali website. In this website, I already publish all the DevOps related courses: DevOps, AWS, Kubernetes, Terraform, AWS networking, DevOps hands-on project, Helm with Zero to Hero, logging and monitoring. Here we have a 1 month, 6 months, 1 year plans available. If you want, you can enroll here. If you still have any questions, feel free to comment. I will try to respond as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. We'll see you next video.